Big ceiling. And this way. It's river though, isn't it? Does it? That does it? Sort of there, I've seen that. You started watching it again, you know, from the start.
Yeah.
Whoa. We're all stood up, they're normally laid down, man. Fucking hell. You need like a fuck ton of cement here. They're all stood up. They're normally laid down. Grab some cement, Tyler. We need a pile of cement here. No, it's alright, we can get it. What's it for? Just gonna chop this. Drop this over now. Just drop this over now, start. Got sugar. Someone commented on video, you know when we're digging this out? Well, it's okay, I found that. You haven't experienced moving earth with a wheelbarrow. Fortunate. I think, yeah, man. Disappear, isn't it? Ah, lift it up and do it again. Did you apply for an alpha? engineering at its finest. Good morning. It's supposed to be a good day today. However, question and answers on your side. I was moaning about Garforth building supplies. I know two guys are watching. Matty and Liam. Remembered your names, you see. Yeah, we're back over this way, so we've gone to Farmac. I'll name and shame. So what we've got is we've got a slotted thingy down here. Tray going down here. Which are these? But we asked for 5, so they've brought us 3 meters worth in. I think it's called ballet or ballet, or I'm guessing it's ballet. I'm guessing it's French. And then they've given us 2 in ACO. Now them 2 don't meet. They don't hook up to each other. Do you know what I mean? They did it. They messed up on this job. They didn't bring the slotted, they just brought fat. The normal ones, the flat ones. And then they messed up on blocks on the last job when we were building the retaining wall. They messed up on that and they brought us 4-inch instead of your 5.5-inch, whatever it is. So it's the lads in the yard that need sorting out. However, in Garforth, spot on, every time. But, question for you guys. Do you believe in like your MKMs and your Travis Perkins, or do you use locals like this where they treat us, and it's some places they can't move on price because that is the price and then can't touch it. But here, like that, we're going to get some compensation off of them. Probably just get a can of pop or something, but we're going to get some off of them. But yeah, who do you guys use? Do you guys use these big national companies, or do you use local companies that fuck up a lot? You know what I mean? It's hard. But yeah, we'll try to get these drains in. I was just saying, it's only like 11:15. Feels like it's 12:30, 1 o'clock. But yes, another delay. So Tom's just gone down. Told them to kick door through. Kick door through as you walk in and let them know that you're here. But anyway, it'll be all nice and polite, won't it? Come back telling me that he's knocked them all out, but he won't have done. So yes, delays. Love it. Hope you're all having a nice evening. See you soon. Right, we're done for the day. Sun's out now. Look how sunny this garden is. No shaded parts at all. No shaded parts. Let me show you what we've been up to. So we're on to his third line, our third row of porcelain. This is a ground cream and it is nice. You can't even see the cream in it, to be honest with you. I don't know what it's like when it's wet. I'll have to wet it up and have a look. But yeah, this is nice. I'm going to repeat myself a little bit here. Every time we lay patio, I always say this. Porcelain, sorry. Because it's man-made, it's heaped here. And then it slopes off either side. Does your porcelain flag. So, water's falling that way towards them slits. So, the water goes down, falls into that grout, works its way across, or to that side, on this particular one, to that side, across, and then down, poof, gone. The water here, off of this flag, will come here, down there, across, down. Everyone comments on this. This is why I'm saying it. When you lay half and half, one corner always catches water, next corner always catches water, and in like 6 months' time, it's just a muddy little patch on your patio on every bloody flag. And that's why. Google it, you'll find out. But I've done plenty of research on it now, and every patio we've done it. Got a big one down here that we did at the start of the year, one at neighbours here. Still looks mint. So, yes, we are going, or I am going, to sunny Manchester now. Bit windy for the motorway, innit, going over at tops, but be right. Drivers, aren't we? Drivers. So, we are having a long weekend now. So it's Thursday, we are having a long weekend, and I will see you all on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.